History of the airplane. Origin. First designs. The first airplane designs date back to the 15th century with Leonardo da Vinci and his sketches of flying machines. Innovations. Motor to reaction. The invention of the jet engine revolutionized aviation in the 20th century, allowing faster and higher altitude flights. Modern developments. Supersonic plane. The supersonic aircraft represented by the Concorde marked a milestone in aviation history by reaching speeds of Mach 2. Contemporary era. Commercial aviation. Commercial aviation has spent enormously connecting the world and making air travel accessible to millions of people. Future innovation. Electric plane. Research into electric airplanes promises a revolution in aviation with reduced emissions and less environmental impact. Social impact. Global connection. Aviation has transformed the way we move, connection distance regions, and facilitating culture and commercial exchange. Air transport. Large scale. Air travel has redefined travel standards, delivering global comfort and efficiency.